Google just dropped something wild and nobody's talking about it. This AI runs on your phone, works offline, costs $0 to use, and it's about to flip the entire game for anyone trying to make money online.
Google just gave away a $0 AI that could replace your entire tech stack.
Let's get real about what Gemma actually is. Because if you think this is just Google trying to compete with ChatGPT, you completely miss the point. Gemma is Google's family of small language models. And when I say small, I mean these things are so lightweight, they run on your laptop, your phone, even when you're on an airplane with zero internet. Google built this from the same tech that powers Gemini.
It's called Gemma, runs on your phone, works offline, zero API fees, download once, run forever. This isn't a chatbot. It's an engine you plug into your products. Most people saw this and completely missed the point.
But here's where it gets interesting. Gemini lives in the cloud. You pay every time you use it. Gemma is different. You download it once, run it locally, and it's completely free for commercial use. Zero API fees, zero per token charges, nothing.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
And here's what most people don't get. Gemma isn't meant to be another chatbot you talk to all day. It's meant to be the engine that runs inside your products while you keep all the money. That's the whole unlock right there. The newest version is Gemma 3. It comes in multiple sizes. The smallest one is only 270 million parameters. That's tiny compared to ChatGPT.
It's not about having the smartest AI. It's about owning the infrastructure.
When I first learned about Gemma. And honestly, this is what helped me transition from working full-time as a mechanic to making money online. It's not about having the smartest AI, it's about owning the infrastructure. Let me explain what I mean. Right now, most AI businesses are basically just renting someone else's technology. Every time a user generates something you pay OpenAI or Anthropic, your costs go up with every single user. I've watched people build cool tools that blow up overnight.
Every user you get, you pay OpenAI. Your costs go up. I've seen tools blow up overnight, then API bills destroy them. Gemma flips this. Your costs stay flat, more users, more you earn, more profit. You're not renting anymore. You own the stack.
And then they can't afford to keep them running. The API bills destroy them. That's the trap everyone falls into. Gemma flips this completely upside down. You set it up once. It runs on your server or even on user devices. Free inference forever. So instead of your costs scaling with users, your costs stay flat. More users just means more profit. That's real leverage. And Google isn't hiding this. They're pushing Gemma hard because they want you building in their ecosystem. But most people see it and think, oh, cool, another free model, and they move on. They don't see the actual business model sitting right there.
There are entire industries that will pay 5 figures for this exact setup, and they're desperate.
People completely ignore. Gemma runs locally. That means data never leaves the device. For regular consumers, that's a nice feature. For certain industries, it's everything. I'm talking healthcare, legal, finance, education. These sectors have strict regulations. They literally cannot send sensitive data to third-party APIs, but they still want AI tools. Think about this. Build an AI assistant that analyzes medical notes.
Gemma runs locally. Data never leaves the device. Healthcare, legal, finance, they can't use cloud AI. Regulations won't allow it. Build them a local AI assistant. Runs in their office, zero data leaks. We're not talking $10 subscriptions, 5-figure licenses per office.
Or legal contracts, and it never sends data anywhere. It runs on a local server in their office. Doctors and lawyers will pay massive prices for that. I'm not talking about $10 monthly subscriptions. I'm talking 5-figure licenses per office. One thing I learned building Mina Marketing is that compliance isn't sexy, but it pays really well. Companies that solve real regulatory problems get to charge premium prices, and Gemma makes this accessible without needing a giant team or massive infrastructure costs.
Now here's where it gets wild. Gemma doesn't just read text anymore. It sees images.
This is where it gets really interesting. Gemma 3 doesn't just read text anymore. It sees images too. You can feed it screenshots, product photos, ads, whatever. It analyzes the visual stuff and gives feedback. This capability is brand new and almost nobody's building with it yet. Here's one idea that could be a whole business. Build a visual funnel analyzer. Clients upload screenshots of their landing pages, their ads, their email designs. Gemma looks at everything, the layout, the copy, the images, where the call to action sits.
Gemma 3 sees images now. Screenshots, ads, product photos. It analyzes everything. Build a visual funnel analyzer. Clients upload landing pages. AI tells them what's broken. You're not doing the work. The AI is. You just charge monthly. Big brands pay consultants tens of thousands. You do 80% of that for a fraction.
Then it outputs a list of what's broken and how to fix it. You're not doing the analysis. The AI is. You just built the wrapper and you're charging monthly for access. Marketing agencies pay consultants thousands for this exact service.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory. It's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
You can automate most of it and keep huge margins, or go after e-commerce brands. They upload product photos and packaging. Gemma critiques if the branding is clear, if the messaging works, if it follows their style guide. Big brands spend tens of thousands on packaging consultants. You can build a tool.
The opportunity is now. By the time everyone figures this out, early movers already won.
By the time everyone figures it out, the early movers will have already built their businesses. Don't be the person who watches from the sidelines and regrets it later. So here's what you do with this information. Pick one angle, just one. Don't try to do everything. Maybe you're technical, go the SaaS route. Maybe you're good at sales, offer integration services. Maybe you like teaching, build the education play. Whatever fits your skills. But pick something and actually do it. Most people will watch this, think it's cool, and do nothing. That's fine. That's most people.
Pick one angle. SaaS, services, or education, whatever fits your skills. Most people will watch this, think it's cool, and do nothing. That's most people. Download Gemma, build something small, test if people pay, scale what works. The window doesn't stay open forever.
But if you're serious, you need to move. Download Gemma, play with it, build something small, test if people will pay, then scale what works. The window doesn't stay open forever. Right now, Gemma is new enough that most people don't get it. In 6 months, everyone will. So if you're going to move, move now. If you want to go deeper on landing AI clients and building subscription services, I've got my free 4-part AI fast track training. I show you exactly how to get higher paying customers, and I give you free access to the software tools I use every day in my business.
If you're going to move, move now. Drop a comment. What are you building? Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.